Good morning students. I am Maheshwari SICET. Today topic is first order difference equation problems. సో చాలామంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ డౌట్స్ అడిగారు. సో వాళ్ళ కోసం ఈ వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మీరు చేస్తారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో హియర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ y of n is equal y of n minus a into y of n minus 1 is equal to x of n. This is equation number 1. Here x of n is input and y of n is output. Taking Fourier transform on both sides in equation 1, then what we have to getting Fourier transform, we have to applying this equation. Y of n becomes y of capital Y of e power j omega minus a into e, here delay is n minus 1. So e power minus j omega capital Y of e power j omega is equal to x of n becomes x of capital X of e power j omega. Next, here observe this equation. So ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఈ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసే ఈక్వేషన్లో y of e power j omega is common. So I am taking common y of e power j omega 1 minus a into e power minus j omega is equal to x of e power j omega. Okay, next y of e power j omega divided by x of e power j omega is equal to, and remaining value is 1 by 1 minus a into e power minus j omega. This whole term is called, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నేను క్లాస్లో కూడా డిక్టేట్ చేశాను, చెప్పాను, అండ్ మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ y of e power j omega, capital H of e power j omega. This is nothing but y of e power j omega by x of e power j omega is nothing but h of e power j omega is equal to, and equation 1 by 1 minus a into e power minus j omega, equation number 2, this one. Next, impulse response. We have to introduce impulse response. So impulse response is nothing but h of n is equal to inverse Fourier transform of this h of e power j omega. This is first bit. And next, second one is h of n is equal to inverse Fourier transform of, what is h of e power j omega in above equation 1 by 1 minus a into e power minus j omega. That is second notation. Okay, finally, what is h of e power j omega is equal to this 1 by 1 minus a into e power minus j omega. This is third equation. Now h of e power j omega is called frequency response of the causal LTI system, whose impulse response is h of n. Now in previous equation, h of e power j omega is, what is the value? 1 by 1 minus a into e power minus j omega. So here h of e power j omega is equal to 1 by 1 minus a into e power minus j omega. E power minus theta is nothing but cos theta minus j into sin theta. So same like that, here we have to replace e power minus j omega is cos omega minus j into sin omega. Next, h of e power j omega is equal to 1 by 1 minus a into cos omega, minus into minus plus a into j sin omega, equation 4. Now in that equation 4, we have to find out the magnitude response and phase response. First, I have to find out the magnitude response, that is mod h of e power j omega is equal to 1 by under root 1 minus a cos omega whole square plus a square sin square omega. Now we have to find out this, and here we have to apply a minus b whole square representation, 1 plus a square cos square omega minus 2a cos omega, and remaining equation is a square sin square omega. And next, 1 by under root 1 plus, here a square is common both terms, so here cos square omega plus sin square omega, and remaining minus 2a cos omega. So it is cos square theta plus sin square theta, value is 1. So here 1 plus a square minus 2a cos omega, this is fifth equation. And this is magnitude response, that is 1 by under root 1 plus a square minus 2a cos omega. Next, find out the phase response. Phase response is angle of h of e power j omega is equal to minus tan inverse of a into sin omega by 1 minus a cos omega minus tan inverse of here a sin omega by 1 minus a cos omega. Now here, varying value of omega, we plot the magnitude response and the phase response of first order system for A is equal to 0.8. So here omega frequency response, and here angle 0 degree, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 150, 180, up to so on 360 degrees. So here I am plot the magnitude response and phase response. So here first magnitude response rho. So in that magnitude response for 0 degrees we have to achieve phi. Value is phi. How to get this phi? Here first step 1, mod h of e power j omega is equal to, what is the formula? Magnitude 1 by under root 1 plus a square minus 2a cos omega. So here 1 plus a square minus 2a cos omega. We have to substitute the values. A value is given. A value is 0.8. I am substituting 0.8 square minus 2 into a 0.8 cos omega value is 0. So calculate this whole, then we have to getting 5. So here 0 degree we have to achieve value is 5. Again 45 degrees, same representation, we have to substitute 1.404, we have to get 1.404, and 90 degrees and 150 degrees up to so on. Next go to the phase response representation. So phase response, how to find out the phase response? Second step, step 2, angle of h of e power j omega. Already you know the, find out the formula, minus tan inverse a sin omega by 1 minus a cos omega. So here omega value is 0 and a value is 0.8. We have to calculate 0 degree value is 0. So here 0. And 45 degrees, one more value I am calculating. So here minus tan inverse 0.8 sin 45 divided by 1 minus 0.8 cos 45. We have to calculate, we have to get minus 52.48. Minus 52.48. We have to calculate all degrees. So we have to achieve minus 38.66, minus 19.86, 0 up to so on. So next we have to plot the magnitude response and phase response curve. This is the magnitude response curve. How to achieve this graph depends upon these values. సో ఈ వాల్యూస్ యూస్ చేసుకొని మనం ఈ కర్వ్ని ఎలా ప్లాట్ చేస్తామనేది ఇప్పుడు మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాము. సో ఫస్ట్ హియర్ వాల్యూస్ 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. This is the frequency values, and y-axis values all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the magnitude response. So first here values is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I am using here. So 0 degree, omega is equal to 0. So it is 0. How much value we have to get in? 5. So mark here 5. And then after 45 degrees, 45 degrees means I am using here pi by 2 means 90 degrees. 90 before value is 45 means 1.404. So it is 1.404 means it is approximate 1.5 or 1 above. So 1 ki paina. So ikkada cross chesanu. So next 0.78 below 1. So this value, and 0.6 we have to mark all values, and last value is 360 degrees. This is 2 pi 360. So I am marking here 5. And ee points anni meeru touch చేస్తూ డ్రా చేస్తే మీకు we have to getting this curve. This curve is called as a magnitude versus frequency, and same like that phase response. Same phase response values already we have to achieved, and here phase representation. So here phase representation, here 0 degree, omega is equal to 0, phase is also 0. So here omega is equal to 0, phase is also 0. And next same like that 45 degrees. 45 degrees we have to achieve minus 52.48. So here minus 40. So minus 40 after we have to getting minus 50. So I am marked here some below value. Next we have to mark same like that. We have to achieve same this model waveform. So this is the magnitude and phase response curve representation. So exam lo meek ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినా కానీ మీకు వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ త్రూ వీ హ్యావ్ టు draw the magnitude and phase response representation.